Yo, what's up everybody? Superior Shelby here, and today we're gonna go over this 73 Cadillac DeVille on 28 inches. Okay, we're gonna go over all of the custom features of this super cool car and more. So come on, let's check out this hit. Ooh, looks nice. All right, y'all, so I got my friend TJ. What's up, man?
What's going on?
This is the owner of this beautiful hit here, okay, out here. So I do have some questions for you, because obviously my people want to know.
Right.
So why did you pick the 73 Cadillac DeVille? Why did this particular car?
I picked this car, my dad had this car. So
Really?
he had a 73 Cadillac DeVille, so this is what I picked. I bought another one, he passed away, I bought it, and then I flipped it out. I had it for 3 years, and it started from, it wasn't even looking like this.
Wow.
I brought it all the way up, I painted it, put this pearl on it, motor, interior, the rims, everything.
Everything.
From the ground up.
And it looks so good. This color is hitting.
I appreciate
this pearl is amazing. So tell
you.
me, why did you decide to do the white and the pearl?
White and red is my favorite color.
Oh, okay.
So every car I got is white and red pearl. My new cars, they all the same colorway. So that's my favorite color. So every car I drive is white and red pearl.
This car it's a hit. I like it, honestly. I like the red and white. This is a different flip. You know what I'm saying? I'm not used to seeing it like this, so it looks really good. And obviously that pearl is hitting, okay?
Right.
And I want to move over to your beautiful rims here, okay? You riding on 8s. So tell me why you chose this particular rim and chose to do it this way.
You know, out here everybody ride Dayton's and stuff, so I want to be something different. Everybody got 4Gs and Ruchis, so I went with the RTs because I ain't never seen nobody with this sign, with these RTs rims on there, especially with this cut. When I called these, I'm the only one that got them. So they special built for me.
Exclusive.
So exclusive.
Exclusive.
So I want to be different, and I'm different with these, especially out here in the Bay.
Exactly. You already know I'm always coming with something exclusive,
ain't no caddy out here besides another one here on 28s like mine. So especially it ain't no 73 for sure. I'm the only one out here.
That's right. Looks super good. I like how you did, you did like that brush in the front, and then you obviously kept the chrome lip. Looks really good with this pearl and the red white. Everything complements each other well.
Got to.
I love it. I love it. Now I want to move on to what's going on with your music in the inside. Okay. So your insides look super good, and I love it because you have red carpet and you have your steering wheel done. So tell me about your process for getting the inside done.
The inside is still the white original interior. I'm gonna make that all red, but it still look good for right now, but it's all original leather interior, so it's still in good shape. I just did the door panels on it. So yeah, it's still a work in progress, but you still see it's still in great condition with it.
Yeah, for this to be the original.
For it to be the original side, the door panel, so it's still in great shape. All I did was blew the brains out, sunroof, and did the dashboard.
You do oh my God,
and that's canvas. That's canvas top. That's $1,000 canvas top.
Oh, this feels so good, you guys.
So yeah, people out here ain't got the canvas tops on their old schools. They do vinyl. I spent the extra money and did the canvas.
Okay, he spent the money on it. Okay.
Spent the money and did it with the custom trim for the side, the chrome trim.
See, you get what you pay for.
You get what you pay for.
Exactly. I really like this. The fact that you kept it original. First off, that's really, really hard to do, to keep it original, and also throw in that brand new feel, that modern day feel. So you do have a digital dash, but you kept like the original frame. That's what I do like as well. I love when people do that.
Yeah, I did a little mix of both. Did the digital dash, and they don't make a digital dash for no Cadillac. You can look it up. They don't make it. So I had it custom made for it. So I left the 8-track in there, but I put the digital dash in it. So I added my, like you said, 2020 with the 1973 flare on it. So I did a mixture of both. I didn't want to go too custom with it, but I went just enough how I like it.
Love it.
So that's
how I ride. Everything about the inside. And what speakers, what you got going on in here? Because you got a lot of speakers in the doors.
I got 15 speakers in the inside.
Oh my God.
So I put my boy Corey at Unique Sounds did my music for me. So I put 2 6.5s on each door, 2 6.5s in the back, 4 6x9s in the window, 2 6.5s in the center pods, and I got tweeters in the top, 4 tweeters in the top.
Oh man!
So, and then I put 4 speakers in the grill in the front, and then 4 speakers in the back in the bumper. Running off of 6 amps.
This is a music box.
Music box.
I didn't know that.
When I pop the trunk, you'll see the subs in there.
Oh my God. So, matter of fact, let's pop the trunk.
Let's
do that, because I got to see what's going on. Okay, up under this trunk. I mean, up under, listen, this is a music box, and I can't even believe I can't even believe you have auto speakers.
And I
didn't even know that.
No, yeah, and I just got kickers in mine. So.
And it's so soft. Look how nice this is.
Yeah, it's dusty in there, but I just got some kicker comps, CVRs, and they go crazy. Y'all just with me. I done broke the skirt bolts 3 or 4 times already. So yeah, it go crazy. Yeah. All the 6x9s in back, the cross window. I even put my dad's name in the back. So yeah. At night it light up and everything. It just it's still bright outside. So yeah, I did all that.
And you coming to the car show tomorrow?
Yeah, I'll be there tomorrow. I'll be there.
Perfect. Yeah,
I'm insuring it.
You guys will definitely be able to see. I'm obviously gonna put some footage up of this lovely hit at night, because let me tell you, this is something I ain't know now. I ain't know the baby was coming like this.
You know, we try.
I ain't know that.
Caddies is different. You know, a lot of people out here ride caddies, but you know, like I said, I put my own twist on it.
You did.
So yeah, I did my own thing, especially with the LS in it, because ain't no caddies really out here with no LSs in them. So they ride the old big blocks. So I put an LS because I can't drive no slow old school around.
Exactly.
So it ain't the fastest, but it ain't slow either. So just
so
know
you got the LS. You mind if we take a look at it?
It's good.
Okay, come on. Y'all know I love it. We gotta go up under the hood now. Okay. We got to go. And I like this. So you kept the emblem and everything.
The emblem in it and all that.
This is like original. Oh, and you guys see he does have the music here.
I got the music up here. It's just a 6.0.
Ooh.
You know, so I didn't do no LS3 and all. I just did a 6.0 truck motor in it with some nice little upgrades on it. And y'all know with the caddies, they don't even make no parts for it. So all the parts, the mounts, the headers, all that's been custom made on it. Everything on it been custom on the car to make it fit. Especially for a 73, don't got no parts. So I did it all. I might ain't got AC yet, but it's coming. So I gotta get some AC, but they don't make the pieces for it, but it's coming soon. It's coming. I gotta get it, but it's coming soon.
Oh,
so yeah.
This looks great. Okay.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
It's really nice, and I like how you did this up here. It's really organized too. Yeah, I like this. Now, all right, now. Okay.
Yeah, so it ain't no pump, so it do run. I did suspension and everything, so it do run.
Yes.
It ain't slow.
Yeah.
It might be big, but it ain't that big block that it do what it needs to do.
Yes.
So just know that.
That's what's up. I mean, it's definitely running okay, because we was driving behind this guy, and this guy, listen, moving, okay.
Profiling and moving.
I thought we was in Lauderdale, boy, for real. But listen, this is a hit, and I really like it. I
appreciate it.
This is dope. Here in the bay. This is the Cotler Marina where we at, right? This is real nice. This is nice.
This is a marina over here. It's a little windy today. It's cold.
Yeah. So, it's windy.
It's windy for sure.
Oh my God. This is so nice. Oh my God, this is so soft for it to be original.
Yeah.
Wow.
So, yeah, the good interior in great shape. You know, I'm still gonna remix it, but it's in great shape. So.
Oh my God. I feel like this is how it's supposed to feel. Like this is, and like some red.
Yeah, and the gauges is all red. They all work. Every gauge work.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. Okay.
All of it work. You know what I'm saying? So it's good.
Oh my God. Yes.
So everything good in it. So.
This is definitely running.
Everything works.
Yeah. I like that. I like the fact that you have the ability to cruise and you can slide if you want to.
Yeah, cruise, slide when I want to. Good gas mileage, everything breaking down.
Yeah.
None of that other stuff. None of that stuff.
And I like. Oh, wait a minute. Your sunroof is like. It's like controlled.
Yeah, it's control all of it. Yeah.
Oh my God, this is so nice. So that's why. See, that's what I'm saying. You got the 2020, you know, feel 2021 in here, and then you also have the original. That's how a hit's supposed to be.
Right.
That's how these supposed to be.
Like I said, I mean, you know, I said even the A-track still come on.
Yes.
So everything worked. All this stuff worked. All this crap worked.
Oh, so, even the windshield.
Windshield
wipe. Y'all ain't even got no windshield wipe.
So all that worked. Everything worked.
Yes.
All of it worked. So we good over here.
Yes, this is dope. I really appreciate this, right?
That's good. I appreciate you riding with me.
Oh, yes.
Appreciate you.
Alright, you guys, I really enjoyed my time and my ride with my good friend TJ. If you like this hit and you've enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on push notifications for me on your YouTube channel, please. And if you want to see any pictures of this custom car or any other custom car in the nation and the land, make sure you visit aswiss.net. That's aswiss.net, don't you ever forget it. And until next time, I'm Superior Shelby, and I'm going to check you guys' hits out next time. Peace! Hey, what's up everybody? Superior Shelby here, and I got a new hot product for y'all. Clean It Right Auto Care. That's right, Clean It Right Auto Care. This is their Rocky Road non-acid wheel cleaner. So it's particularly for rims like this, colored rims, brush face rims, whatever rims it is, but this will get your rims, give your rims a deep clean, and it actually smells kind of good for a wheel cleaner. So if you want to get some of this product or any other product out there that Clean It Right Auto has, make sure you visit their website, cleanmyrims.com, or just follow them on Instagram at Clean It Right Auto. See you guys soon. Peace!